Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. Reported 45,892 new coronavirus cases and 817 deaths in the last 24 hours ending 8 a.m. on Thursday, with the country overall case load has rise to 3 crore 7 lakh 9,557, while its death toll has climbed to 4 lakh 5,028. The number of active cases in the country has dropped to 4,60,704. Novel coronavirus COVID 19. Prevention is better than cure. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Wash your hand regularly. Wear mask. Use sanitizer. Avoid social gathering. Avoid contact with others. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Issued in public interest. For trade inquiry, mail care @rkmgroup.in. Call toll free number 1800258760. Chandra Singh 1934 to 2021, a void left in Congress. With the death of the 87 years old Vartan Virbhandra Singh due to post-COVID complication, an era has ended in the Himachal Congress, cutting across political party and ideological hues. Singh's death has left a big vacuum in the Congress, as no other leader enjoyed the mass appeal and clout that he did. Singh, who dominated the political space in Himachal for almost 6 decades, that saw the Congress stalwart remain a union minister for that long a period, become an MP at the young age of 28 in 1962. He was elected as Chief Minister in 1983 for the first time, a feat that he repeated on 6 occasions, while putting up an amazing fighting spirit throughout his political career. Singh even defeated the decade COVID virus twice before succumbing to it. Singh won 9 assembly and 5 Lok Sabha elections, a feat few politicians can boast of in country. He remained the state Congress president in 1977, 1979, 1980 and 2012 before becoming the chief minister. Singh faced electoral defeat only on 2 occasions. He had to taste defeat at the hands of the former CM Ram Lal Thakur when he lost the assembly election from Jubal Kothai in 1990. Even though Singh made it to the assembly, as he had also contested from the Rohru, he also lost one of Lok Sabha election from Mandi in 1977 at the hands of Ganga Singh of the Janata Party. Motion Open Scholarship Test for Class 7 to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for season 2021 to 22. Motion Durgapur Center. You can contact the number 943482278. Jyoti Basu, born Jyotindra Basu, 8 July 1914, 17 January 2010, was an Indian politician who served as the Chief Minister of West Bengal State from 1977 to 2000. He was one of the co-founders of the Communist Party of India, Marxist, and a member of the Politburo of the party since in inspection in 1964 till 2008. He was noted to have been the longest serving chief minister in elected democracy at the time of his resignation. His birthday was celebrated in front of different areas of Asansol like Baranpur District Library of Asansol, Barabani, Jamuria, etc. Party member held blood donation camp, the drama and songs by Red Volunteers. Leaders present were former MP Bansgopal Chaudhary, Partho Mukherjee, Satya Chatterjee, Amidyuti Ghosh, Anindya Das, Manoj Das, Parmeshwar Chaudhary, Ashok Mukherjee, Dipyan Roy, etc. Comrade Bansha recalled his memories in brief about his works. Even Mr. Jyoti Basu regarded BJP as uncivilized government. His contribution as modernized of ISP, water supply and division of Bardhaman district was mentioned.
तू जिंदा है तू जिंदगी की जीत पे यकीन कर अगर नहीं है स्वर्ग तो उतार ला जमीन पर तू जिंदा है ये गम के और 4 दिन सितम के और 4 दिन ये दिन भी जाएंगे गुजर गुजर गए हजार दिन ये गम के और 4 दिन सितम के और 4 दिन ये दिन भी जाएंगे गुजर गुजर गए हजार दिन कभी तो हो इस चमन पे भी बाहर की नजर अगर कहीं न स्वर्ग तो उतार ला जमीन पर तू जिंदा है যারা মিশিয়েছে বিষ মানুষ যারা মারে তোমার স্লোগান ছড়া কাগজ বন্ধ করো তারে বাতাসে যারা মিশিয়েছে বিষ মানুষ যারা মারে তোমার স্লোগান ছড়া কাগজ বন্ধ করো তারে আপোষ তুমি করো না
Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Blog Barabani Krishak Sabha and on behalf of CITU a meeting was held today to condemn the death, the rate of which petrol, diesel and cooking gas prices are rising day by day and the prices of goods are skyrocketing and the condition of Bihar road in the Mani Bazar could lead to horrific road accident at any time.
বিশাল বড় দুটো পোস্টার দিয়েছে মলয় ঘটক একসাথে হাত জোর করে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে একসাথে আমাদের মুখ্যমন্ত্রী হাত জোর করে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে বলছে ভারতের মধ্যে ভ্যাকসিনেশনে সর্বপ্রথম হওয়ার সার্টিফিকেট দিয়েছে কেন্দ্রীয় সরকার এ কি গজব কথা রে বাবা দুজনে মিলে দেখছি ফোনে টিভিতে গালাগালি করছে এই বিজেপি আমাকে ভ্যাকসিন দিচ্ছে না আর কেন্দ্রীয় সরকার বলছে মমতা নিয়ে যা বলবেন তারা হচ্ছেন তাদের চোখে সাম্প্রদায়িক আর আমরা আজকের দিনটাকে এই জন্য বেছে নিয়েছি আমাদের পশ্চিমবঙ্গের যে তিনি দেখিয়েছেন যে পশ্চিমবঙ্গে ভারতবর্ষে কি করে সাম্প্রদায়িকতা রক্ষা করতে হয় তাকে একবার সাংবাদিকরা জিজ্ঞেস করেছিলেন যে 1984 সালে যখন ওই শিখদিকে যখন নিধন করা হয়েছিল 92 সালে যখন বাবরি মসজিদ ধ্বংস হয়েছিল আমাদের স্মৃতিশক্তিটা খুব কম তাই আমরা ভুলে যাই তখন তাকে জিজ্ঞেস করা হয়েছিল যে সমস্ত ভারতবর্ষে বাবরি মসজিদ ধ্বংস হওয়ার ফলে আগুন জ্বললো পশ্চিমবঙ্গে কেন কিছু হলো না তা তিনি খুব ছোট্ট
Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Asansol City Bus Stand will be modernized. Municipal Board member Abhijit Ghatak informed that Asansol City Bus Stand, Baranpur, Raniganj and Barakar Bus Stand are under Municipal Corporation. These bus stand will be further improved so that the passenger do not have any trouble. It is being started from Asansol after taking stock of what work is required here. Work will be done by making a plan. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Nituria Police Station Thursday launched an awareness campaign in Prablia area under Safe Drive Safe Life. Abhijit Das, an officer of Nituria Police Station and others officer, constables and civic volunteer participated in the program. According to the information placed police officer in the hands related to Safe Drive Unsafe Life took out a procession from Prablia 8 turn of police station area. During this people were made aware of traffic rules.
এবং যথারীতি ট্রাফিক আইন মেনে চলবেন। লিতুড়িয়া থানার পক্ষ থেকে সমস্ত এলাকাবাসীকে এবং সমস্ত গাড়ির চালককে জানানো যাইতেছে যে আপনারা গাড়ি চালানোর সময় অবশ্যই সিট বেল্ট ব্যবহার করবেন, বাইক চালানোর সময় অবশ্যই আপনারা হেলমেট ব্যবহার করবেন। লিতুড়িয়া থানার পক্ষ থেকে সমস্ত এলাকাবাসীকে এবং গাড়ি চালকদের জানানো যাইতেছে যে আপনারা গাড়ি চালানোর সময় অবশ্যই ট্রাফিক আইন মেনে চলবেন, করে কখনোই গাড়ি চালাবেন না এবং যথারীতি হেলমেট ব্যবহার করবেন এবং সিট বেল্ট ব্যবহার করবেন।
Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. 5 police officers suspended and 5 civic volunteers suspended in Barakar outpost. 5 officers have been suspended for negligence in their duties in connection with the death in police custody at Barakar PP of Asansol Durgapur Police Commissionerate. The notification issued by ADC SB said. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. 43 leaders were sworn in as minister in the cabinet. Jyotindra Ditya, Sachindia, Narayan Rane and Sarbandana become minister. 7 leaders from Uttar Pradesh got a place in the union cabinet. The evening of the union cabinet was extended in PM Modi cabinet. 43 leaders have been sworn in as ministers. 7 ministers were promoted in the cabinet expansion while 36 new faces were included in the cabinet. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. India protesting worker and local demanding the opening of the factory. The owner of new and old units of the Sivbandhu factory in the Jamuria industrial area have been closed for 6 months due to the personal dispute. About 150 workers are unemployed and suffering from kind of hunger. All transport was halted as rents were set up in street on Thursday morning demanding the reopening of the factories. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Rooftop solar power system at Tapsi station inaugurated, a further step towards Go Green initiative of Asansol Division. Asansol environmental population owing to carbon emission is a serious concern at present. To reduce such emission, thinking of alternative sources of energy has come into existence like other sector. Railway is always ahead of this and solar power is very much being utilized here to reduce carbon footprints as a step towards maintaining clean environment as well as to save fossil fuel. Also, Asansol Divisional further under the dynamic leadership of Sri Sumit Sarkar, Divisional Railway Manager, priorities more and more utilization of non-conventional sources of energy. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. The demands of Dilip Kumar, the great hero of film world, a tribute was paid on behalf of the Corporation of Asutosh Hall of Asansol Municipal Corporation on Thursday. Words were laid on this picture and 2-minute silence was observed for the peace of his soul. On the occasion, Municipal Administrator Amarnath Chatterjee said that the first superstar of the film world was Dilip Kumar. The imprint of his acting in scenes in the later story, Dilip Kumar, known as the great Bollywood actor and tragedy king, passed away on Wednesday morning, July 7. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Of Ahmedabad Kolkata special train Asansol for the convention of computer 09413094414 Ahmedabad Kolkata Ahmedabad fully reserved special train will run 09413 Ahmedabad Kolkata special will leave Ahmedabad at 21:05 hours on every Wednesday with effect from 14 July 2021 till further advised to reach Kolkata at 15:15 hours on the third day. The Asansol departure time of his train will be 11:57 hours on the third day. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Now I am presenting SMS of News Movement. The greatest accomplishment is not in never falling but in rising again after you fall. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.